Hi, welcome to Cece's channel. Today I am going to make a Eclair cake for one of my customers. So we're gonna start off, you're gonna start off with a square pan. I have my 2 boxes of vanilla pudding, 3.5 cups of milk. I have my honey graham crackers, have my whipped topping, and then I have my chocolate frosting that I made. So we'll start off now with the two boxes of the pudding. Alright, so there's the one packet. Alright, and then I have the second box of the instant vanilla pudding. Alright, and then I'm going to do my 3.5 cups of milk. Alright, so that's 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, and then my half. Alright, so I got that out the way. And then you want to add 8 ounces of the whipped topping to it. So just get it all in there. And so now once you get everything in there, you're going to mix it all up. Just come on, just come on, because you're messing up my video. Alright, this is nothing to play with, right? So we're going to whip it all up. Here, hold it. Alright, so just continue to, mix it all up until it forms to the way that it's supposed to. Alright, I'm going to use the whisk. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to whisk it. Right, come on. Alright, so my little helper wants to help. So he's going to continue to whisk it for me. Go ahead and wash your hands. Alright, so while he's washing his hands, I'm just whisking this vanilla pudding up. Making sure everything's all mixed in. Alright, so it's almost to the consistency of what I want it to be of. Alright, so once I get all of it mixed, once you see it looking like this, alright, so now, okay, go ahead and whisk it for me, honey. Alright, so now he's finished the finishing touches of whisking up the vanilla pudding, the 3.5 cups of milk, and by the way, that's 2 boxes of the instant vanilla pudding, 3.5 cups of milk, and an 8-ounce container of the whipping topping that we did. So now that it's like this, alright, go ahead and put that over there, Jabari. Alright. Here. Alright, so I'm going to, before I put down the graham crackers, I'm actually going to spray the bottom of the pan. This is a no-bake cake, but I'm going to spray it the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to add my graham crackers to this. So it's going to be more of a layering type of cake, no bake cake. Alright, so now that I have that And you're just going to layer it. And I like to use a square pan, that way I can get a lot of cookies into the pan. And so with the sides, what you're going to do is you're going to break the cookie and you kind of fill it in with the cookies at the bottom. Just like that. So now once I finish with this bottom layer, I'm going to place my vanilla pudding on top of it. All right, so now that we have that done, so we're gonna start off. Let me just stir it one more good time. Get everything worked in. And then I'm gonna start layering. See how it's turning out yellow? That's what we want. Alright, so I got that together. Alright, so just gonna start layering my pudding down. And this is quick and easy. It's a no-bake cake, so it doesn't take that much, or it doesn't require much. So just gotta work with it and work it out till you get all of it together. I'm a lefty, so I gotta change it up how I'm doing it. Okay, add a little bit more. So once I put it down, then I can kind of spread it evenly, even it out, you know. So I was asked to make this cake for this person. And believe it or not, this is the first time making it, so I hope they like it. Well, I know they're gonna love it. All right, and you finish just spreading it, you know, evenly, making sure it's evenly. Gotta make sure it looks pretty too at the same time. Presentation is everything, guys. All right, and this is the bottom, but I still want to make sure that it is evenly spreaded. Okay. All right, so I have my first layer. Well, now we're going to work on layering another batch of graham crackers here. All right, so I'm on my second pack of the graham crackers. Trying to make sure I get it in there so it don't break off. All right, second round of graham crackers, guys. And so with this, after you make it, you just put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, 4 to 7 hours, just so everything could, be in evenly and everything sits together well. That's one of the things about these no-bake cakes. You have to, make sure it goes into the refrigerator for the appropriate time that's needed. All right, almost finished with the second layer, and then it just repeats itself. Rinse and repeat. All right, add these little, gotta get these little corners, you know. All right, so now we are going to go for our second layer of the vanilla pudding. All right, working it. Gotta make sure it's nice and pretty. That's my motto. This presentation is everything. Not only for tasting, but the look is also good. Gotta make sure it looks presentable. All right. Looks so good, right, guys? You know, when you love what you do, it just comes natural. I love cooking. I love baking. So this is just a regular day for me. You know. All right, make sure it's nice and smooth. Da-da-da. Okay. Smooth it and even it out. It doesn't take much. You see, it's so quick, simple, and easy. I love cooking, I love baking, and I love making people happy. Because, you know, people love food, so when you love what you do, you just do it with love. Alright, so I am almost done with my vanilla pudding layering. Gotta get those corners. Can't miss no corners, guys. And I think for my son, my helper, he's always helping in the kitchen. So I have to give him some props for this too, because he always helps and he loves cooking too. So this is gonna be the next chef, next cook with his mom. All right, and get this last little itty bitty piece covered up and make sure it's spread it evenly. So, all right, gotta get that last little bit. You see that? All right, so now that we got all this spreaded with love, now we're gonna do that last layer of, why are you recording my dog? No, don't do that. Don't do that.